Welcome back to Zuby's Organic Kitchen, where we share healthy recipes, tips, and the inspiration we all need to take charge of our health. I am so excited that you are here. Keep watching. Welcome back. So this week, I'm doing a series of green smoothies for my fat release group. I don't like calling it weight loss because when you lose something, you tend to want to look for it. And to be honest with you, we're not looking for this fat back. We just want to release it and keep it going so we can have a healthy weight. Okay, let's get to it. So today's smoothie I call Green Cleanse. I have all my ingredients here. I have a cup of spinach, a cup of arugula, 1 cucumber, 1 pear, 6 pitted dates, and about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And then I have some MCT oil here to help us get some healthy fat into this smoothie. And then I have the sea moss supreme, which have sea moss, bladderwrack, burdock root, all in there, so we could get as much minerals as we can. And then finally, I have my organic pea protein. So all we're going to do is just put everything in our blender and then add about 2 cups of water and keep it going. To start with, I'm going to pour my water in the blender, and then I like to start with my greens first. I'll pause it a little bit and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients to it. Alright, now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. Let me put in Then I'm going to blend it. When it mixes up, then I'm going to add my pea protein and, if you like, some MCT oil. So I'm going to stop it right here. It seems like it's well blended. And now I'm going to add my sea moss powder and my pea protein. Just about 1 tablespoon will be good. Then I have my pea protein here. We want as much minerals as we can get in this smoothie. And we all know protein, is the building blocks of ourselves. We need everything that we can get. And then I'm going to put about 1/2 tablespoon of my MCT oil. That's optional, but I would recommend it. And I'm going to blend it a little bit more for about a minute. So my smoothie is all ready. Okay, as you can see, it's not extremely thick. It's just the right consistency. This can definitely keep you going because it has everything that you need in it. All right, I like to pour it in a jar and just keep it in the fridge. It can stay for up to 2 days, but you don't want to leave it longer because the longer you leave it in there, it's losing nutrients, and that's defeats the whole goal. Okay, like I always say, you have only one body. Take care of it. And tomorrow we're going to come back and see the next one that we're going to make. All right. Take care. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.